Care Dimensions wants to hear from patient families on their experiences while in our care. Google reviews is one way you can thank our team members publicly while also letting others know about your positive experience. Here's how it works. From a desktop or laptop, do a Google search for Care Dimensions and look for the star rating on the right-hand side. Click on the Google Reviews text, which should be highlighted in blue. By the way, this works on mobile devices too, but the setup is a little different. This is also a good spot to mention that if you're leaving a Google review, the preference is to leave it on the main Care Dimensions page, which is located in Danvers, not one of our other locations, such as our hospice houses or administrative offices, which may pop up in a Google search. Now from here, you want to click on Write a Review in the top right corner. Then there are two basic paths. If you have a Gmail account or a Google login like YouTube, you can sign in to write your review. If you don't have a Google login, you'll need to create one, and you can use your current email address to do that. There are a few steps of verification to get your account set up, but while that may sound tricky, it only takes a minute or two. Once you're logged in, you're asked to rate Care Dimensions on a scale of 1 to 5, and then leave written feedback if you'd like. Hit post, and you're all done. This is one way to not only publicly thank Care Dimensions, but also let others know about the quality care you received.